Good morning, everyone. I'm Harshika and I'm going to explain Porter's five forces and how does it help in analyzing the environment. Now, this is Porter's five force model of competition. Competitive rivalry within an industry, bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of customers, threat of new entrants, threat of substitute products. Porter's five force analysis is a framework that attempts to analyze the level of competition within an industry and business strategy development. It draws upon industrial organization economics to drive five forces that determine the competitive intensity and therefore attractiveness of an industry. Now, these are components of Porter's five force model, which include threat of new entrants, threat of substitutes, bargaining power of buyer, bargaining power of suppliers, rivalry inside the industry. Five force analysis, new threat of new entry, time and cost entry, specialist knowledge, economics of scale, cost advantages, technology protection, barriers to entry. Supplier power, number of suppliers, size of supplies, cost of changing. Threat of substitute includes substitute performance, cost of change. Competitive rivalry, number of competitors, quality differences, other differences, switching cost, customer loyalty, cost of leaving market. Buyer power, number of customers, size of each order, difference between competitors, price sustainability, ability to substitute, cost of changing. Threat of new entrants. The market is full of competition. Not only the existing firms pose threat to the business, but the arrival of new entrants is also a challenge. As per the ideal scenario, the market is always open for entry and exit, resulting in comparable profits to all firms. But it is not applicable in the real picture market. In reality, all industries have some traits that protect their higher profits and help them in warding off potential new entrants by erecting barriers. Threat of substitutes. A substitute can be defined as the product of other industry that can have the ability to satisfy similar needs. Example, coffee can be substitute for tea as it can be used as a caffeine drink in the morning. When price of a substitute product changes, the demand of a related product also gets affected. Bargaining power of buyers. This is an important effect on manufacturing industry. When there are many producers and there is a single customer in the market, then that situation is called monopoly. In this market, the position of the buyer is very strong and he sets the price. In reality, only a few monopoly market exists. Bargaining power of suppliers. Since the company needs raw material for producing, therefore the producers have to build strong relationships with its suppliers. Rivalry inside the industry. For most industries, the intense competitive rivalry is the major determinant of the competitiveness in the industry. Thank you.